Guests have reacted very positively to the use of the Irish language here in the hotel. From the moment they walk through the hotel, we have a great sign here, Gallia Vabu. It's a proud welcome to them coming to the hotel. Particularly guests from overseas, they see the sign and they're not familiar with it, so it's a great icebreaker or an opening point of discussion with our reception team. So when guests are here in the hotel, they're very confident that where they are, they're in Galway, they're in a bilingual city, and we proudly display our culture and our heritage here in the Harbour Hotel. Using Irish language, I think, has increased business here in the hotel. Certainly from a local perspective, you would notice a lot of Gaelgorgi using the language when they're having their lunch in the bar. We'd also have quite a few meeting rooms here at the hotel that have been booked through companies based in the Gaeltacht. And I think it's that association and that we're using the Irish language and we're adapting it and making it part of our ethos here in the hotel, and I think that's what's driven business here to the hotel.